Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with me, the Smoking Bikini Chef. What do we think of my outfit today? I feel very jungle. When I did my hair, I was like, oh, I need to go through and see if I have any leopard or cheetah style bikinis because, guys, I'm giving like Dunny from Wild Thornberries. So today I'm very excited because I'm making loaded shrimp baked potatoes. And for those of you who don't like seafood, I'm also gonna do a broccoli and bacon style baked potato. Very much loaded, very much creamy. You guys know how I like it already. So I'm ready to eat. Last night I went to a concert and I was shaking this booty. Shaking booty all night. I'm starving, I'm hungry, so let's get into prepping our baked potatoes. So here I have 4 potatoes. I already washed them, so make sure you wash them very thoroughly because potatoes can be a little bit dirty. I'm gonna stab these potatoes. Get your anger out on somebody. Who does that in a scary movie? I think it's okay if it's Michael Myers. I have to tell you guys something, but I have to figure out a way to say it PG for YouTube. I did a video for Halloween is my favorite time of the year to make content. You know what kind of content I'm talking about. I was really excited because this past October I did a bunch of different cosplays. This is so ridiculous. I don't know why. I just always had kind of a crush on Michael Myers. Something's not right up here. Just was like, oh, he's just, who is under the mask? It's like a mystery. I don't know, it's just something about it. Like, he didn't even run after you. He just like took his time chasing you. I don't know. Anyway, I did a video for my exclusive page. If you know, you know, blue and white. I was like, let me recreate this. I had one of my content partners dress up in the suit and it was a great video. But after that, I was like, that was kind of scary. I would forget he was in the costume and then I would look up and it's Michael Myers. If you haven't seen it, you should definitely go on my exclusive page and check that out because it is one of my favorite videos. I did a bunch. I did Jason, I did one with Freddy Krueger. I did so many. I have to think about it. Every October though, I don't reuse costumes. I'm always doing a new costume. Like August, I'm preparing. I am preparing the costumes. I'm getting everything ready for October. Like, oh, it's my favorite time of year. Now that we have them nice and stabbed, I like to just oil, give them a really good massage. So I like to just kind of massage it really good. It's gonna really prep this potato for all the salt that I'm about to put on it because I love eating the skin of the potatoes. It's so good. And it has to be salty. I don't want it if it's not salted enough. And that's also why I like making baked potatoes by myself at home because when you go out to eat, I get excited to ask for a baked potato and then it's not even salted good. I think all these have a really good amount of oil on them. Next, let's salt our baked potatoes and we're salting them good, okay? I need to see the salt. This is just gonna get absorbed anyway, so that's why we want to do a good amount because we want to actually taste the salt, or at least I do. Now that our potatoes are nicely salted, I'm just gonna wrap them in aluminum foil and then we're gonna pop them on the oven. In the meantime, while that's cooking, we are gonna get started on this delicious shrimp. All right, so let's get the seasonings going for this shrimp because they always say if you're not sneezing, it's not seasoned. Let's give that a good mix. We want our shrimp fully coated in the seasoning. Just gonna give it a nice mix. And I just, you know me, I like doing things with my hands because I really like the seasoning to get in. And the only way that I know the seasoning is in is if I do it myself. So I've never done this before, but I love watching videos of Gosney and the Gosney oven and seeing how other people do recipes in it. And I've seen so many people use a cast iron. They throw it in their Woodfire oven, take it out, and then start cooking on it because that heat is staying in the cast iron. So I'm gonna try that today. Don't let me fail. All right, guys, let's test my theory. The videos I have watched. Putting down some butter. Hear that sizzle? It's working. Throw on my shrimp. And shrimp doesn't take long to cook. So we just want to keep an eye on it, because if you don't, then it gets too tough. It's smelling so good. When are they gonna invent something when you can just smell through the screen, you know? Just want to share this with you. The only way you're gonna smell it is if you do this recipe at home. And normally I wouldn't crowd the pan like this, but I'm just not sure. I've never done this method before, but it's exciting. That way I don't have to go in my house, cook inside, then you can't see me. The concert last night was so fun, guys. It was kind of like the millennial tour kind of ish going on. Like, it was some of those people. It wasn't that tour. I don't hear any more sizzling. The pan is not sizzling how I wanted to, but also maybe I just didn't leave it in the wood fire oven long enough. So I just threw my shrimp in the wood fire oven, because why not? And then we're gonna just keep on keeping on. All right, guys, our shrimp beautifully cooked. Right, let's move our shrimp out of this pan. We're using all of this seasoning, all of this crispiness that's left on the pan. We will be using that in our creamy creole sauce. It's gonna be so good. Best part about this show is eating. I love doing content, you know, the other type of content that I do, but it's something about food. Shrimp pan that we just used to cook the shrimp. Let's put down some butter, and we're gonna throw in some onion, and then we're gonna throw in our peppers, and we're just gonna want to cook this until it just cooks down, becomes a little bit translucent. It's working this time. The pan is sizzling. It should take about 5 minutes to do, but since I'm doing it this way, we shall see. These are beautifully cooked down. Smells so good. If it wasn't so hot, I'd take a bite for you guys. Now we're gonna add our heavy cream. Give that a nice mix. I gotta work fast because my pan is nice and hot how I wanted it. Add our seasoning blend in here with some garlic paste. Gosh, I'm struggling. Give that a nice mix. I love when the sauce is just coming together. Adding 2 types of cheese in here. Parmesan. I have to do a taste test of this, just to make sure the seasoning is right. And also going in here is Colby Jack cheese. We have this beautiful cheesy sauce. The smell is so good, guys. It's super cheesy, it's super creamy, just how I like it. I know how to do a sauce. Okay, we are ready to assemble, guys. It is time. I'm back. I had to do a little prep indoors because it's getting hot outside, which means there's a lot of bugs. And you know what, if anybody has tips for bugs, I have a little candle here. I usually keep a little candle on the side, but it's not working that great. We have our baked potato with bacon and broccoli already prepped, and now I'm just going to show you guys how I do the shrimp. We're going to take our baked potato, stick a shrimp right on the side, and do it just like that all around our potato. It's gonna taste delicious. I feel like this is just that type of meal that you make for somebody when you kind of really start to like them. It is a lot of effort. It's a lot of like aesthetics, like super pretty. You make this for somebody and they're gonna be like, whoa, I think I love you or something. It's so professional. 5-star restaurant, who, where? Look at that. Not even sauced yet, but oh, man down. Just gonna let that sauce flow over. We're gonna bake it one more time in the oven with additional cheese on top. Gonna let it get ooey gooey. You don't have to put this sauce on the baked potato one, but trust me, it is so good. Even if you don't like shrimp, or the person you're making this for doesn't like shrimp, they're going to like this sauce. I know my people who are here with me today, they're gonna want this sauce, but they don't like shrimp. So the shrimp ones are for me. I can't wait to eat. Next, adding some cheese, a little extra Colby Jack cheese on top. Just a little bit, you know, little extra ooey gooiness. Why not? Just spraying of parsley on top. Just a pinch, just a pinch. All right, guys, here's all 20 pounds of our baked potato. Heavy, gorgeous, beautiful. Let's bake it and then let's eat it. Okay guys, it's still pretty hot, but I have to go in and try. See this shrimp first. Oh, seasoning blend is so good. When this potato, the cheesy sauce. Oh, that's so good. Guys, this is so delicious. It's so creamy. The seasoning blend is so good. I hope you like seafood because the shrimp, so good. And if not, you could do the same recipe, but just do bacon and broccoli. Same delicious result. Please let me know in the comments if you are going to make this, if you've made it. I would love to hear your review. Please like this video, it means so much to me, and please subscribe if you haven't yet to see more videos by me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. I'm juicing myself right now. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that means it's a good potato. There's a spot on my glasses. Change gloves, change gloves. Garbage day. Oh God, I dropped the shrimp. Oops, another man down. This is the cooking the shrimp dance. This is the cooking the shrimp dance. Oh. Cheese break.